Hey guys, guess what I have? It's an Apple bag of fun! And so I'll leave it a surprise. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, what could this be? Well, it's backwards in the camera, but oh well. It's a wireless keyboard. Actually, I love the Apple design, so I'm just going to unbox this on camera for y'all. No, I'm not from Texas, despite the shirt. Okay. 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, so let's cut this bad boy open. Okay, what else do I need to cut? Okay. So this works. Ooh, nice packaging. Everyone says this, but I love Apple's packaging. Kind of a geeky thing, right? Okay, now what? Okay, here we go. So we open, just like that. Okay, there it is. Wow, that's nice. That is thin. Look at that. Wow. Okay. It's the back. What else is there in there? Apple wireless keyboard. Instructions. Oh, here we go. Let's go and pull this out. It's thin. Wow. Okay. It's the same keyboard that's on the laptop, except just in wireless form. And then here are just instructions and stuff like that. Okay, cool. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.